Hi everyone, welcome to another session of GCSE Maths. In this tutorial, we're going to look at whole numbers. Writing whole numbers as words and digits. Each digit in a number has a place value. So this is the keyword for each digit as a place value. Numbers can be written as words using place value table. So keyword is place value table, and here is a place value table. So first from left to right would be millions first, and then we write hundred thousands, and then we write 10,000s, then we go thousands, hundreds, tens, and units. We can go from right to left as well, so that would be units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, and millions. Here we got an example. It says, how do you write the number 5,722,680 in figures? So we're going to use the place value table. So we go millions, 100,000, 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens, units. So if we look at the question, we go 5 million first. So we put 5 under millions. Then we go 700. So we write 700, 100,000. Then we go 22,000s. So we write 200, 10,000s. And then 2,000. So we write 200, 1,000. And then we go 600. So we write 600 hundreds. And then we go 18 figures. So we haven't got any tens. So we put 0 and then 8 under units. So this is our figure in digits. So when we write it, we put commas to make it easier to read. So from right to left, so every 3 numbers we put a comma. So 1, 2, 3, and then we put a comma, another 3, we put a comma. So here we go 5,722,608. This is our answer. Question number 2. How do you write 68,542 in words? So that can be broken down into this figure. So we go 68. So that will be under 10,000 would be 60,000. And then under 1,000 would be 8,000. Under 100, hundreds would be 500. And then tens would be 40. And then 2 would be our units. So we go place value table again, millions, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens, and units. So we can write 68,542 here. Okay. Now example number 3. It says, using column addition, work out the value of 427 plus 363. So how we do it is, so we write the 427 first at the top, and then we write the 363 at the bottom. So now we add from right to left. So we add this one with this one first, and this one with this one first, second, and then lastly we do this one with this one. So 7 or 3 would be 10. So we have to move the 10 to the unit column, and then we go 2 odd 6 would be 8, and then we go 1, carried 1 from the left column, so that would be 9, and then we go 4 odd 3 would be 7, Yeah, so here is the explanation. We go unit column 7 at 3, which is these two, which is 10. And then we go this tens column, which is 20 at 60. And then we go carry 10 from the left column, so that will be 90. And then we go the 100 column, which is 400, and add 300, so that will be 700. Now, example number 4. Using column subtraction, work out the value of 427 minus 363. So we do very similar to addition. So we write the 427 first, and then put minus sign 363. So now we subtract from right to left. So 7 subtract 3 would be 4. And then tens column, so we go 2 minus 6. So we can't subtract 6 from 2. So what we have to do is we have to exchange 110 from the 100 column. So that will be 12. And then if we subtract 6 from 12, that will be 6. And then because we exchange 110, now we go 3 here. Yep. So 3 minus 3 would be 0. So answer is 64. So here is the explanation. It says unit column 7 minus 3 equals to 4. So 7 minus 3 is 4. And then you go 2 there. So it is not possible to subtract 6 from 2. So we exchange 110 from the 100 column. So which is this one. So that will be 12 minus 6, which is 6. And then 100 column, which is 300 minus 300 is 0. So this is our answer, 64. Moving on to example number 5, it says calculate 35 times 46 using column method. So we write 35 times 46. So first we multiply 35 with this 6. So that will be 6 times 5, which is 30. So 30 goes into tens column. Hence we write 0 under unit column. And then 6 times 3, which is 18. And then we go 3 carried from this column. So 6 times 3, 18, plus 3, which is 21. So that's 210. Now we're going to multiply 35 times 4. Now here we put a 0, and this is because the 4, which is under tens column. So there is nothing, because we already multiply this one on the top, and there is nothing on the unit column, so hence we put a 0. So now we multiply 35 times 4, so that will be 4 times 5 would be 20. So that will be 0. We carry 2 to the next number, and then 4 times 3, which is 12, and then add 2, so that will be 14. Now we add this number with this number, so that will be 0 plus 0 is 0, and then 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 4 is 6, and then we go 1. So 35 times 46 is 1610, which is 1610. Okay, example number 6. It says using short division divide 895 by 5. So we write 895 here, and then we put 5 there. So now we divide 895 by 5. So how we do is, so 5 goes 1 times into 8. So 5 times 1, which would be just 5. So it would be just 5. And then remainder would be 3. So we move the 3 to the tens column. So that would be 39. So that would be 39. Now if we divide 39 by 5, so that would be 5 will go 7 times, that will be 35. So remainder would be 4. So now we move 4 into unit column, so that will be 45. And then 45 will go 9 times. So answer is 179. Yeah, so 45, that will be 45. So we move to 45 to unit column. Yeah, so that's how we do the short division. But you have to have some knowledge in times table. Yeah, so if you haven't learned any times table, so yeah, make sure do so, and that'll be easy if you can remember times table when it comes to doing division. Yeah, so if you guys got any question, please feel free to ask in the comment box, and please subscribe for next video. And thank you for watching.